Hey guys, just a quick video on the wind noise that we have been experiencing throughout our trip from Beaufort, South Carolina to Houston, Texas. I noticed there's a lot of noise coming from the roof, and we also have a work request or an appointment on Tuesday to get it fixed. But I want to show you guys how to check your roof if wind noise or the configuration or the install is not to spec. So basically, from the front looking back, this piece right here, the roof front quarter panel should be sitting a little bit higher than the glass roof. Reason being is for the wind flow is when it hit this quarter panel, it's just gonna bounce off. If the roof is sitting higher than this quarter panel, it's gonna create a significant amount of noise when you are traveling at high speed. So that's why I put painter tape here temporarily as we travel on the highway. So of course make the cabin so a little bit quieter, more enjoyable for the ride. But how I noticed is by placing this piece of tape. As you can see, not sure how well you can see it, but from this end, and this is where the gap to the glass, so there's a big gap there from this piece, right? So that's how it should be. But if you move it closer down this way, right, the glass is actually sitting higher than the quarter panel, so that's where the wind noise is coming from. Now this is on the passenger side. I'm going to show you guys on the driver's side. So the center portion of the vehicle is fine. On this side, you can see there's just a little bit of gap. See, I can get the focus in right there. So this is sitting high. This piece is sitting higher than the quarter panel. So that's why we hear a lot of wind noise as we travel on highway speed. Go from the front of the vehicle. This gap right here is not as significant to the other side. On the passenger side, it's a bigger gap. So this is something that you guys can pay attention to when you guys are taking delivery of your vehicles, either the R1T or R1S. It should have the same design in the front portion. And if you are experiencing a lot of wind noise, take a look at that, measure the gap on both sides, and if it's not even, then I'm pretty sure adjustment is needed to get the wind noise reduction. This is something that cannot be done via mobile service. Of course, the Rivian will send a mobile tech out to your area to take a look, and if they can't fix it via mobile, they'll schedule an appointment to get it fixed. That's exactly what happened to us here. Just unfortunately, we taking our road trip, so we couldn't do it right away. So next week is gonna be our appointment when we return to Atlanta. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.